guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna do a little get ready with me. Okay guys, so let's get started. I'm gonna do this picture right here and let's see how close I can get to it. We're gonna start off with the James Charles palette, and we're gonna start off with this purple right here. I'm going to start really low. I found that putting concealer first and then the color, it makes it a lot more vibrant and it just works a lot better. Kind of like that. Use this one and a little bit of this one. And I'm taking it and I'm gonna line like to the top. So basically we're creating a rainbow. So now taking the palette again, we're gonna take this green here and we're gonna apply it on the top layer of that one. Hiding it so that we can still see it. I'm gonna take the orange color on the palette. So I'm taking that orange right there, mixture between these two, and then it'll do that. And now I'm gonna take this red right here and put it on the top. Pretty. Going back into this palette again, we're gonna take, let me see, I think it's this color, and we're gonna kind of just draw like clouds, and then we're gonna put glitter on top of that. So let's go ahead and draw out the clouds. I'm gonna use like what is this called, concealer. It's a small precision brush by elf. It kind of looks like this, it's like circled, and we're just kind of going to wing it and create some beautiful clouds. I have this like iridescent kind of glitter. So for the glitter, I used a glitter adhesive, but I did not record it. So it's going to be in the description down below if you guys want to know what I use. But just wanted to let you guys know. I like it. Once you've cleaned it up, it makes such a difference. We're back! This is the finished eyeshadow look. We're going to use this contour kit. And I'm just using my Too Faced. And on this one, it has a little highlight. And I'm going to take it and highlight. So this is the final look. I hate it, I like it, mixed feelings. I feel like I didn't do it justice. I kind of don't hate it, I kind of like it. Shout out to the actual like inspiration of this whole look. And she also has a YouTube channel, so I'll link her down below. Yeah, pretty awesome content. So I'll see you guys in the next video and get used to some more videos because yeah, that's all I can really do is film videos. So hopefully I can film a new one, maybe a vlog. You guys let me know on the comments down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.